Ryan Brogan from a company called Arcus Systems. Our website is arcus-systems.com. We are a manufacturer of industrial cleaning and pumping systems. Our biggest industries are food and beverage, chemical production, oil and gas, material handling, and personal care product manufacturers. One of our main product lines is the VASA, which is an automated cleaning system for containers. We have a version to suit different types, including barrels, drums, and tanks, so they can be cleaned out and reused with as little water, chemical, and power consumption as possible. I'm a co-founder and one of the directors here. 3 words I would use to describe myself are optimistic, driven, and empathetic. At Arcus Systems, we would describe ourselves as a cutting-edge manufacturer of industrial cleaning and pumping systems for tomorrow's world. And there are a couple of key points within that statement. The first one is the cutting edge part. That refers to our constant drive for more innovative products. We reinvest a significant portion of our profits back into research and development, so we can not only remain at the forefront of our industry, but lead it into producing better products for the environment. The other point is that we are focusing on tomorrow's world. We believe that it's not enough to create products that do the bare minimum for the purpose or throw away items after a short amount of use. It's hard to believe that the need for a circular economy is only being properly recognised now, and that is what we have been focused on from the start. Our systems help companies reduce their environmental impact by using water, power, and chemicals responsibly and efficiently. But in addition to that, they reduce operating costs and the client will gain a rapid return on their investment. We are very aware that decisions for a lot of companies are dictated by cost, so the fact that our systems can help the environment and their balance sheet makes it an easier decision for them. I started working in what was our family business from a young age, initially on my summer holidays during school and then full-time when I left school. That business sold industrial cleaning equipment, mainly pressure washers, so I gained an in-depth knowledge of this industry over the years. It was very apparent that clients had a need for more specialist, efficient, and automated equipment that could make a difference to the environment. When Dad sold his half of the business in 2019, my brother and I started our own company. We have been lucky to work with a number of mentors throughout the years that have really helped us with our business strategy and direction. Having goals and a plan to aim towards helps keep the business on track. To surround yourself with things that can help you implement it. That could be the right people, organisations, government bodies, or educational institutions. Always remember that ideas are nothing and implementation is everything. So try to get as much support as you can to bring your idea to fruition. One of our main sales channels is LinkedIn. All our products are business to business, B2B, which means LinkedIn as a professional social network is perfect for us. It also allows us to educate our clients or anyone that is looking with content about how they can reduce their environmental impact.